Lily, make fart noises.
We should take a nap. And then get up and be refreshed and go finish our day. What do you think? Huh? Are we good? Should we take a nap real quick?
Guess what? On my phone, there was this same guy kept farting when he was walking. He was like,
On your mom's phone?
yeah! Is this same guy like walking
Yeah, it was a video.
like that, coming out of his booty?
Oh my goodness.
Like this, see? Like that.
Are you
It was so
watching
fun.
fart
Yeah.
videos on YouTube?
No, it was on my mom's phone. It was like
Yeah.
fart, inappropriate, watching your attitude.